I Mel. My health challenge is my low back pain. I've been experiencing this one for a long time. I'm a golfer. Sometimes andyan siya, pero tinitiis ko na lang. So mabuti na lang my wife has given me Intra, and because of Intra, uh, my scheduled operation on my low back pain ay hindi na natuloy because it has already improved. So not only my health I improved, also my game in golf kasi because of that wala na akong naiisip na may mangyayari sa likod ko because it has improved a lot because of Intra. And then number two, yung aking blood pressure sometimes tumataas, sometimes bumaba, but hindi na ganun na nangyari noong umiinom ako ng Intra. It has stabilized na. So my average is like 120, 80, ganyan. But sometimes kasi umaakyat noon. With my age, sometimes I'm thankful hindi na ako umiinom ng maintenance medicine kagaya ng mga ka-golf ko na what I hear from them are maintenance medicine at the age na kagaya ko. So, yan, those are the benefits I had with ITRA.